everyone, I recently just got this new Wizbot Maxx kit. It's suitable for ages 6 plus and above, and it's the theme Adventure Quest. It has more than 25 activities and you can draw and play the robot way. Now let's see the back side. Now this is the back side. This is what's inside and this is how to use it. Now let's see what's inside. Whoa! Look at this. This is what's inside. This is the Adventure Quest activity book with lots of cool activities. The picture cards, coding cards. This is the mat with lots of arenas. Number dice, gift dice, and some sketch pens with a cloth. Small white 5 rubber bands, 3 cells, paper claws. Now this is the Wizbot Maxx. Awesome, isn't it? This is the Treasure Land arena and this is the Ocean arena. Now let's choose an activity from the activity book. This is the Wizbot Maxx. Look at all these colorful buttons. These are the direction buttons. This is the on and off switch, the back side. And now let's start to use it. Let's choose the activity from the activity book. This looks interesting. Octi the octopus. Let's see the things to use. We have to use, of course, you know what, the Wizbot Maxx, the Ocean Arena, and Octi the Octopus card. Now, let's do the activity. So, we have to help the Wizbot catch Octi, and because Octi is hiding somewhere in the sea. Which part should I do? Maybe it goes like clear. We have to help the Wizbot catch Octi the octopus because Octi is hiding somewhere in the sea. And then make Octi reach his friends, which are very cross with him. So I will use a path which is clear. Forward, forward, right, forward, go. Now the Wizbot has found Octi the octopus which was hiding. Let's put Octi on the Wizbot and take him to his friends. Now that Octi has been placed on the Wizbot, we can take him to his friends. Now let's go. Clear. Done. Right. Done. Forward. Forward. Done. Then left. Done. Forward. Go. Now friends, Octi the octopus has reached his friends with the help of the Wizbot. Now let's see if the Wizbot can draw. So in the drawing mode, we're making a square. We have to press forward, left or right 4 times and then it will make a square. Let's do it. I do clear like this. Then go. Now it's done. I really enjoyed playing with this Wizbot Maxx kit and If you want to buy it, check out the description box. I hope you like my video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!